let us go with a small differences between the physical and the chemical changes. Okay, these are the physical and the chemical changes differences. One change, the change that takes place in the properties of substance like state, color, volume, density, etc. Here the change that takes place in the chemical composition of a substance. Understood? Here only change in the external physical properties. Here we can see the complete chemical change. Composition. Completely chemical composition changes. Understood? Next, composition. So here we can see that in physical change, new substance is not formed. Here a completely new substance is formed. So which is having a completely different properties than the fundamental properties of the element. Yeah. Next, temporary or permanent changes. So here physical changes are considered as temporary changes and they will be reversed and they are reversible to convert into individual reactants. But here chemical changes are nothing but they are permanent change. Once they form into new product, there is no chance of getting into individual components by a physical means. If it is undergoing chemical properties, then we can change it. There are some different techniques. We can get the individual reactants from the products. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, recovery of original substances. So on reversing the conditions, we'll get the original substances. Here on reversing the conditions, we won't get the original substances. The weight of the substance. In the physical change, we'll find that there is no change in the mass. But when we see the chemical change, there is a change in the mass, but that only alteration takes place, but overall reactants and products are equal. Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. So this I have not, yes, I have changed. Chemical examples of physical changes, one is crystallization. Examples of physical changes, one is crystallization. So I have already shown you the video about, yeah dear?
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, I left as my device got switched off. So, I just wanted to say that.
Yeah, I have observed that you left the mail. I think you, due to some technical problems, you may left. Yeah. So crystallization is nothing but the process of obtaining crystals from the saturated solution at a higher temperature is called crystallization. Crystallization is the physical properties. Why? Because from the copper sulfate solution only we are getting copper sulfate crystals. Here no new product is formed. That's why it comes under physical change. Have you understand about the physical and the chemical changes? Do you enjoy with the video? Have you enjoyed with the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so within that video we can observe that so many different examples they have given in our daily routines about the physical and the chemical changes. Okay, so in everyday aspect we need to go with the different different changes. What are the chemical and the physical changes we need to identify and observe. Okay, so crystallization is a physical change. I have already shown you the video also. After that, rust